Hi everyone. Here is another session on continuation of how to become certified system administrator. So in our previous session, we have created a custom table that is business. So let's take the same table as example here. So let's open business table now. Okay, here is the business table. Let's open an existing record here. And using form design, let's rearrange the fields to make it a 2-column view. So for that, we need to go to form design using header menu here, and from under configure option we have form design, so it will be redirected to form design option. Here in this page we can design the form layout, and we can also add or remove fields. So let's change the layout into 2-column. Here we have the 1-column or 2-column option in this header here, so just select 2-column and we can drag the fields using this icon here, and just as well as we can add some more sections here. For example, if we click this, a new section will be added and we can make it a single column section, and we can drag the short description, which looks just like a incident form, right? So similar way we can add it here, and we have to remove this section name and we have to keep it empty. Otherwise it will be added as an entire new section. So if we remove the section name and keep it empty, it will be continued on fields of this below. I'll show you how. Just save this form and just go back to the form and just refresh and see. As you can see here, we have 2 columns for this above fields and a single column for short description field. If we add the section name here, for example, if I had additional information as a section name here, it will stored as an entire new section under the form. I'll just show you how. Just go back to the form and refresh. See here, you can see it will show as an entire new section here. So if we remove this name and keep it empty, then it will behave as a same field under these 2 fields, but just acts in a new column, single column. So this way we can add or remove sections and all. And now here we'll see how to make any field read-only or mandatory by using its field dictionary. It will be out of the box functionality for any field created on the form. For example, here we have number field, which is editable as of now. As you can see here, we can edit and enter any data as we decide, but it should be the unique field, right? Whenever we create a new form, it should be take a new number. Just like if I click new, as you can see here, a new number will be populated, that is 1009. And again, when I click new, it will give another number, the continuation of that previous number, 1010. So as if we can edit this, it can be manipulated. This number can be manipulated. For example, if I give 1009 and submit the form, and when I create new button here, it won't go to 1010, it will go to 1011. As you can see, the path will be go ahead as a continuation +1 from this number. Okay, so better if we make this field read only, it won't change. It will keep on only that what number is populating, it will be stick to the same. The field will be kept as a read only field. For that, we can go back to the field dictionary by right clicking on that particular field. We have configure dictionary option here, just like this, while right clicking on that particular field, and just go to configure dictionary, and we have read only field here. As you can see, this is the dictionary field of that particular field on this number field. And when we click read only here and save this, and when we reload the form here, as you can see, the result will be this number field will be is now uneditable. Okay, so when you go back to the list view and just create, you want to create a new record, and the number field populates in a read-only manner. Okay, you can't edit this number field. You can create n number of fields here, but it will be same. It will be read-only. And let's make another field mandatory using the same field dictionary option. Here we have requester field. Okay, so this record should not be submitted to the server without entering the requester. So this will be some example scenario here. So for that, we need to make this requester mandatory on out of the box solution. Okay, for that, same, we should navigate to the requester dictionary here by right clicking on the requester field. Just right click and go to dictionary of that requester field. And here you can see we have another checkbox, mandatory. Just select that and just click save, so that now the field will be mandatory here on the form. Just go back to the form. Here is the form. As you can see here, it is now mandatory. So if without giving any data into that, we can't submit the form, as it is a field is mandatory. As you can see, the following field are not mandatory, which is requester. So we need to select at least any value in that field, and now we can submit the form. So this way we can make any field read-only mandatory by using ServiceNow out of the box function, that is configure dictionary. And we have a lot more functions to do with the dictionary, which we'll be learning in our upcoming sessions. So keep watching. Thank you.